Hey everyone, it's my Bakugan review of Maxis Dragonoid. There they are, all the Bakugan. We've got Neo Dragonoid, Spider Fencer, Spit Arm, Graphius, Brachium, Dark Hound, and Gracchus Hound. So first, let's review Spit Arm. There we go. Spit Arm. Kind of like a stingray, you know, like. Pretty cool. His wings, Subterra, Ventus, Spit Arm, and he's got Spider Fencer. He's a Pyrus type attribute, I mean. Stupid legs. All you gotta do is pull out his little feet and straighten out his tail a little bit. Spider Fencer. Brachium. All you gotta do is pull out his other head's claws. Hold on, everybody. Claws coming out. That's Brachium. Push that up. You got Graphius, looks exactly like Brachium, except for his little back panels and his decorations. I mean, they're both the same attribute. They're both chaos. So, that's the only difference right there in their decorations and all that. Dark Hound. Mine's a little bit broken, but still a Dark Hound, so everybody hold on. Stupid legs, stupid broken tail, head, body, back body. Stupid thing. Buddy, I'm gonna keep Dark Hound on his card, so I'm gonna just have to be right back. Second. There we go, got another card. We've got Gracchus Hound. He's not broken. Opens up exactly like Dark Hound, only he doesn't have horns like Dark Hound does. That's what Gracchus Hound looks like. Little doggy. All the traps that go to Maxis Dragonoid. Neo. This is a special Neo Dragonoid that only comes with the Maxis Dragonoid set. So they're very rare. You might remember him from PCNC's crew. Well, there you go. There's all the Bakugan. Neo Dragonoid, Gracchus Hound, Dark Hound, Graphius, Brachium, Spit Arm, and Spider Fencer. 1 second while I form each part. Neo Dragonoid's done. Pull out that head. Gracchus Hound is done. Dark Hound is done. Almost just got to pull that card out. Broken it. Done. 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 And done. All of the bats is gone in their Maxis Dragonoid ready forms. Now this is Spitarm. He's the waist of Maxis Dragonoid. Then you connect Dark Hound and Graykiss Hound, like so. Then you connect Spider Fencer to Brachium. Stupid peg. Like so. Connect Brachium and Grayfius to Drago, like so, and then put Neo Dragonoid on top of Spinarm. Hold on. After that, he's done. I mean, like, it's just getting him to stay together. There's the tricky part. For all of y'all that haven't played it yet, please play the Lego Devastator interactive game. And don't look on my channel to win. Got that? Good. Because that'd be cheating. Winners never cheat, cheaters never win. Dang it, stupid arms and legs and getting in the way of each other, and leg, get back on. Oh, it doesn't want to go up. There. Maxis Dragonoid. Hold on. Here's a comparison to Turbine Helios. Just Turbine Helios. Not Maxis Turbine Helios. Just normal Turbine Helios. And to Helix Dragonoid. That's how big Maxis Drago is. Lego Devastator. Yeah, so, I'll see you in the review of Maxis Helios. Bye.